Last video, we are already helped you to install a Softaculous. Now it is time for the installation of SitePad. To install a SitePad, we need to allow certain IP addresses because these are the servers of SitePad. So in this case, these are the two IP addresses. So they had given us, enter this, but this is a wrong command. So I will just copy this and I will correct this. These are the two IP address, and we set in a proper CSF firewall based rules. So these two IP addresses are whitelisting permanently. Here you can able to see that in the comment we have entered US and EU, means SitePad has a two servers in US and in Europe. Okay, so for both the servers they had given the IP address, so when we use the SitePad it will not face issues. So because of that, now it is time for installation of SitePad. So let's go to the terminal and blindly enter this command. So what is that command? So let me share you. Okay, so here it is a command. Before that, you need to watch a quick setting video because here we need Ion Cube Loader. That video is already covered in our video series. The installation of SitePad has been started. Let we finish the installation. So you can able to say that our SitePad installation has been completed successfully. Now we will scroll to the bottom and you can able to see here clearly that we had successfully installed SitePad. One more thing, if you go to the SitePad official site, it will cost you $5 per month for one single server. If you buy the same license from Dedicated Core or Domain Racer, so that time we can offer you at $3.5. So again $1.5 you will save here, and that to be per month. Now finally we completed our SitePad installation. In the next video we are going forward for Lightspeed and Cloudflare installation.